What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing HEX mod from Friday Night Funkin'. Let's begin at the top of our page with the head. So we start on the left side, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom. Now we go back up to the top, draw a straight angle line going up and out towards the right. Come down to the bottom, draw that same length line. Just going to line this up on the outside and then we'll close off the side with a straight line. Let's go back to the top left corner, draw a straight angle line going up and back. Draw that same angle line across the bottom, and then we'll close off the side with another straight line. Let's draw on the back side of the head, starting from the top corner. Just angle this up and out towards the right, to right about here. Angle this back down and forward towards the top corner of the head. Let's trace the front of the head along the inside. Starting from the top left, step down, straight down towards the bottom, go across the top, and bring that down the right side, and then we'll close off the bottom. Let's add a thick edge along the right side and the bottom. Starting from the top right corner, step in, draw a straight line coming down to right about here. Angle this down and out toward the bottom corner. And just follow this line going all the way across towards the left. Let's add the face along the inside. From the very top, we'll step over towards the left, draw in a circle, move out and then down on the right, and add in the right eye. Now we move down and draw in the mouth. Starting over on the left side, curve this down, across, and then up. I'm going to connect the ends with another curve, coming down towards the bottom, and we'll pull that back up. Now we want to separate the teeth. Starting right in the middle, start with a straight angle line coming down. We'll add one more line on either side. Now we want to fill the inside of the head in black. Now we're going to go up to the top and add in the antennas. Let's start on the top left. Just going to angle this up and out. Draw a straight angle line going up and in. Go back up and out. Pull that back up and in towards the top. And just bend this back down towards the bottom. Let's move over and draw in the right antenna. Starting up here, draw a straight angle line going up. Down and out, angle this up and out, and down and out, and then just pull that back in towards the head. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the body. We start with the collar, starting over on the left side, curve this down in the middle, and then back up. And then on the left side of the collar, we'll step out, curve the shoulder going out, and then down. Go to the right side, step out, curve out, and down. I'm going to go back to the left side and draw the edge of the sleeve. Coming in, and then bending that back out. Now from here we're going to draw the left arm coming in on top of the body. Let's start from the top corner of the shoulder, draw a circle, going all the way around, and then back up on the inside. And then from the bottom of that circle, curve down and in. Let's go all the way down and out towards the left. Draw another circle for the elbow. And we'll connect the elbow to the shoulder with two lines. Starting from the top, angle this up and in, step down, and draw that again. Let's move down and over towards right. Draw another circle for the wrist. And then again, we'll add two more lines. Coming down on the inside, step out, and draw that twice. Now the hand's going to sit on top of the body. Let's start from the top of that circle, and go up and in, come down to the bottom, Come down and in. Straight in along the top and bottom. Let's flatten off the ends with a short line, leaving a gap in between. I'm just going to pull that back in. Got 2 lines coming in, and we'll close off the middle. Let's finish off the body. Starting from the bottom left corner, draw a straight line coming down. Let's go up to the top right, curve the body coming in, down, and then out. Let's flatten off the end with a short angled line. I'm going to curve the bottom of the body, coming down, and then up in behind the hand. Now let's move over and draw on the right arm. Starting from the top of the shoulder, I'm going to draw a half circle, going out, and then in. And come down to the bottom, draw another circle with the elbow. And I'll connect the shoulder to the elbow with 2 lines, starting with the inside with a straight angled line, go to the outside and draw that again. Let's line up at the top of the shoulder, move out towards the right, draw another circle for the wrist. And then again, we're going to connect the wrist to the elbow with 2 lines, starting with the inside and then the outside. Now I'm going to wrap the hands around the mic. Starting from the top of the circle, let's leave a gap, draw 2 straight lines going up, go across the top on the inside and outside, go down to the bottom, draw that same length line, and then we'll close off the ends. Now let's leave a gap on top of the hand and draw a large circle. Starting from the very top, go all the way down towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. Let's go to the side, angle down and in behind the hand. Let's add that texture inside the mic. Starting from the left side, draw a curve going up and then down, and a step up, draw a curve along the top, and we'll do the same thing along the bottom. Let's go up to the top of that circle, curve this in and then down, go back up to the top, step in, curve out, and then back in, go over towards the right, curve in the opposite direction. Let's go back to the body and draw the number 16. Starting from the top left, angle this down and out, go back up to the top, draw a straight angle line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Now from the left side, angle down and in, go up with a short line, and come down towards the bottom, close off the bottom with a straight line. Now I'm going to move over and draw in the number 6. Starting from the top right, curve in, and then down. I'm just going to round this out, go up the side, and then back in. Let's follow that same curve going out towards the top, close off the end with a straight line. And then along the bottom, I'm just going to draw a small circle. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the shorts. Starting underneath the hand on the left, curve this down and then out, go to the right, and do the same thing in the opposite direction. And then from the bottom, draw a short angle line coming down and in. Now we're going to add a fold along the bottom of the shorts. On the left side, step in, draw a short angle line coming down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Now on the left side, I'm going to curve the shorts, coming down and then up in the middle. Draw a straight line going up. And we'll connect that center point to the right side with another curve. Come down and up. Let's add 2 circles on either side, leaving a gap underneath the shorts. Draw on the left circle, and then we'll line this up on the right. Let's go to the top of the left circle, draw 2 straight lines going up, and then do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to angle the legs going out towards the left. Underneath that circle, start with the outside, step in, draw that twice, close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's do the exact same thing on the right, going down towards the same height. Now let's draw on the left foot. We're going to leave a gap underneath the leg, draw a straight line going across, angle down and out on either side. Now on the left side, we're going to step out and draw another straight line going all the way across on the inside. Let's come down towards the bottom of the foot with two straight lines. Close this off with a straight line. And then on the left, we'll step in, draw another straight line. Let's leave a gap underneath the right leg, draw a straight line going across, going back to the left, draw a straight line coming down, just lining this up with the right leg, go all the way out towards the side. Let's go up toward the top of the foot, come straight in, and pull that straight down. Let's connect the top left corner towards the inside with a straight angled line. Go to the top right and goes down on top of the foot. Now we're going to connect the bottom of the legs to the feet. On the bottom corner, curves out and then down. Do the same thing on the inside. Do the same thing on the right. Let's fill the ankles in black. Now we're going to move back up and add a highlight on the right side of each circle. Starting from the top, curve this around and then back out like a half circle. Curve down and in towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing to each circle. We're also going to do the same thing to the knees. And now we're going to fill the circles just around each of those highlights. Finish this off with the knees on both sides. And that's pretty much it. There's Hex Mod from Friday Night Funkin'. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.